Hey, how you guys doing? I'm Pitmaster JW of the competition barbecue team, JW Barbecue in the Wing. And today I want to show you something very easy to make. I know a lot of y'all are going to be having things outside this summer, and I want to give you a rib rub. It's a Pitmaster BBQ Rib Rub that's good to use on any pork. But I use it basically for my ribs. So I'm going to help you out today by showing you how to make a quick and easy Pitmaster BBQ Rib Rub. Most of these items you already have probably inside your pantry, your spice closet, or wherever you keep your stuff at. I want to start off by showing you the ingredients that I'm going to be using. I have some brown sugar, dark brown sugar to get that molasses taste. Okay, I have some kosher salt. I have some ground allspice, some garlic powder, some onion powder. I have some paprika. Also have some chili powder, some ground black pepper. Please use ground black pepper, not that flaky black pepper, because it'll stick. Okay. And I have some powdered mustard that I want to use. The other ingredients that I have is a spoon to use to put inside my container that I want to put it in when I'm finished. Okay. Also has a wick so I can stir it up. And measuring spoon and measuring cup. And if you want to add a little heat to it, this is not part of this rub, but if you want to add a little heat to this rub, the only thing you have to do is put you in probably about maybe a tablespoon and a half of cayenne pepper and mix it into it, and then you add some heat to your rub. So let me get started here. The first thing I'm going to do here is use the brown sugar. I need a 1/4 cup of dark brown sugar. Remember, dark brown sugar, not the light brown sugar. Okay. And I'm going to get out a 1/4 cup of that. And I have my 1/2 cup here by accident. So I'm going to just dump it over here in my 1/4 cup. Okay, pack it down to make sure it's a full 1/4. Okay, dump it inside your bowl like I'm doing right there. And just put the other brown sugar back in there. Okay, that's for something else, that 1/2 cup measuring cup right there. The next thing I'm going to use is 2 tablespoons of paprika to give it some coloring. Okay, just get 2 tablespoons of paprika. Just splash it on out in your measuring spoon. Dump it on in the bowl like such. And try not to overload my spoon here. There we go. Okay, just dumping that everywhere. And put the top back on so it won't clog up. Set it to the side. The next thing I want to use is 2 tablespoons of chili powder. It's a brand new one here, so I got to take the top off here. And that's 2 tablespoons of chili powder. Then I want 2 tablespoons of onion powder. That's the garlic powder. The onion powder goes next, so I could have just used that right then. But I need 2 tablespoons of onion powder. You can use granulated onion powder if you want to. Okay, let me put the top back on this. Then I need 2 tablespoons of garlic powder. There it is. Okay, if you guys like what you're going to see in this video, please hit that like button and that subscribe button so the next time I decide to upload something, you'll know that I just uploaded something and you might like to check it out. Might be something you like to do in the near future. So we got our garlic powder. Now I'm going to come up here to my kosher salt. It's a little windy out here too. Okay, so I need 2 tablespoons of that. Use the kosher salt. Something else instead of regular table salt, because you want to avoid clogging of your rub. So if you use the ingredients that I'm using, then you should be able to use this up to 3 months. If you don't use it right away, just keep it in an airtight container and in a cool place somewhere, and it'll last probably about 3 months. Okay, now the next thing, I'm going to use my ground black pepper, like I say, not that powdered pepper. So I need 2 tablespoons of that. Okay, there's the pepper. And then I'm going to come down and use 1 tablespoon of mustard, 1 teaspoon that is, of mustard powder. Just 1 teaspoon. It has a little kick to it, flavor-wise. So you don't want to overpower your rub here. And just shake it on out, and that don't want to seem to come out through that hole, so let me change to another hole here. And there we go. 1 teaspoon of mustard powder. And then I want a 1/4 teaspoon of allspice. Okay, 1 teaspoon. And there it is. And a new container also. Okay, 1 teaspoon of allspice. Ground allspice, that is. Okay, just dump that in there. And like I said, if you want to add a little kick to this, the only thing you have to do is put your little cayenne pepper in there, and that'll kick things up a little bit. So, as I said, what I've been making here is a Pitmaster BBQ Rib Rub, and that was quick and simple. And like I said, most of these things you probably already have in your spice rack or spice cabinet. And I'll just move some of that out of the way, and just go in here and just blend this, mix it all together into its well mix. Okay, you got everything all mixed. You might want to go in there and use your hands because of that brown sugar until you get it all grind up together. Okay, and then you just stir it until it's all combined and mixed well. That smells good. You can smell that allspice, that's for sure. Okay, it's just that just that quick. You can do up to 2 racks of ribs, and maybe squeeze in 3 depending on how heavy you want it to go. But this would do 4 racks of ribs easily. Alright, and what you have here is a Pitmaster BBQ Rib Rub. Compliments of JW BBQ and Wings. And like I say, don't forget to hit that like button and that subscribe button, so the next time JW decides to upload something, you'll know and you might want to check it out. And until then, you guys have a nice summer and enjoy the rub. I'll catch you later. And the finished product after you put it inside a container just like this. And this is what you have. Like I said, once again, I'm Pitmaster JW, the competition barbecue team, JW BBQ and the Wing. Hope you guys enjoyed this and try this rub out. Until the next time, I'll catch you guys later.